Beautiful people, today I'm making a gourmet version of Ziangs sweet and sour tofu. Starting off, I'm using a block of firm tofu which I've cut quite coarsely, and I've frozen it and defrosted it for additional texture. Next, a bowl full of potato starch, doesn't really matter on the quantity, a small handful of bamboo shoots, a small handful of tin pineapple slices, a small handful of carrot sticks. Now 1 small green pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, which is optional but amazing, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now, a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of orange squash, or the syrup that you add water to, you know the one. 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Plus, I forgot 1 onion, which I've quartered, and then quartered again. As a first step, I'm taking the tofu cubes, I'm coating them in the potato starch, giving them a very quick dunk in cold water, and coating them again. Next, I'm going to fry them until golden, and I'm going to move on to the sauce. I'm going to start by adding in all of the liquids, bringing it to a boil, while also adding in the salt, MSG, and sugar. Once that's bubbling up, I'm adding in the vegetables. Once that's nice and bubbly, I'm going to thicken the sauce by taking some water and a few teaspoons of starch. I'm going to make a slurry out of that. I'm going to gradually add in a few drops here and there and giving it a good stir while it's boiling. What that's going to do is thicken up the sauce and make it less runny. At this stage, I'd go in and add the cubes in and mix it up until it's all coated. However, like I said, I'm making this one look fancy, so I'm just going to pour that onto my fried cubes. But if you want the classic, just drop the cubes into the sauce and you're good to go. Either way, this does look pretty for the camera. I hope you like this one, folks. I'm sprinkling on there, for garnish, some spring onions, because it looks really pretty like this, I must say. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a like, give me a comment, leave me a subscribe. Most importantly, I'm trying to reach the 100k this year, get that silver plaque. Let's see if I can make it happen, with a little help from my friends. Ciao for now, love you all, see you on the next one.